everyone. Today I decided to share a few of the apps that I use. And one is called the MyNetDiary, and I keep up with my food list and all the foods that I eat. And the nutrition and the macros on there are amazing. I love it. You may have one that you love, and it helps to keep track of the food items and the macros, calories, and the carbs. I'll show you that. And also, I'm showing you my smart scale and the app that I have on my phone that connects to my smart scale. And hopefully I can put in a picture of my smart scale, and also I'll show you the app in here too. And that one's called Arboleaf, Arboleaf, and it helps me also keep track of my weight. And you can definitely find the app in your app store. Both of them actually you can find in your app store, but the smart scale you may have to order it online or just look it up, or just look up smart scales. I'm telling you, I love mine. It is lovely. I love it. And also I'm going to show you guys some other gadgets that I use to help me stay on track. Not to say that you need all these things, but I just find it very useful for me to have these things. And I'm so thankful that I did decide to get them, because it keeps me on track and it keeps me accountable. Because I don't have an accountability partner. I used to have one, but I don't have one now. So it kind of keeps me accountable, because when you look at those numbers and you don't like them, it's staring you in your face, and you're the one that has to do something about it. So it makes you accountable. But if you do have an accountability partner, that is a wonderful thing. But these gadgets also help you both, or helps you stay on track. So maybe you should look into it. And I will also share some other things that I use as well as we go along. And I am going to take you guys on my journey, and I would love to be there for you guys as you go on your journey. Maybe we can share tips and tricks that we're using to get our goals met. Okay, well, let's get to it. Here I am, showing you that skirt I got into. Hello everyone. Right here, y'all just need to take a look, because I am too excited. I had just put on this skirt and this shirt. Of course I can wear the shirt, but that skirt there, it's been a while since I've been in that, and I'm so happy. Look at me. And right here I'm showing you guys some of the apps that I use. And this is something I download on my phone, and this keeps up with my macros, and also with different food items that I can record and resubmit. Like if I eat the same meal, I can actually make it where it's showing as a saved meal by clicking on the little three dots right there. And right here, you can just type in information like hamburger or just whatever product, or you can use the scan the labels. Or if you know the product name and you're for sure that's the correct spelling, just try to type it right there in the search food section, and you'll be able to pull it up and add it to your food list there for today. And it goes into how many calories, carbs, fiber, protein, and everything. And so it keeps a really good count for you. After you set your macros, there's a section where you can go in and customize that yourself, or you could choose from what they have there. And here's another app that I use as well. This is my Smart Scale app. And you see here I have my family names in there. They want it to be in there too, to keep track of their things as well. And I just pull one of them up here, and it's showing the BMI, the body fat. And there's another section on here that I just love, because it keeps up with everything. It shows like your weight, your body fat, body mass index. It just shows all the things over a period of time. I'm going to keep going back until I get to 2022, just to show you how it fluctuated back then when it was very low. And I'll just go through all of the little tabs there so you can see it. See right here, it's July, and it was back in 2022. And so this is the weight. And so it shows you that here. And right here's the body fat. And you can see that, let me go back to July. Okay, back in the same section, that's that. So it shows you that. And then a BMI. And go back. You're going to see me keep scrolling back until I get to July. And then right here is the skeletal muscle. So it gives you all these little options, tabs rather, that you can click on and take a look at that and be able to, like if you have a fitness trainer, they do this in their, your gym may offer this, or your fitness trainer may offer this as well, but my Smart Scale does it, and I can compare it to theirs and keep track of it at home myself without having to pay if there's a fee for it. Just to get it updated every so often. When you're losing weight, these numbers will change, and so this is an easy way for me to keep up with it. And there are other gadgets as well that's a little bit more advanced than this, but when I tell you this one right here is a game changer. And did I even say what the name of these are? This is Arboleaf. This one right here is Arboleaf. Arboleaf. I do apologize, and I don't think I actually told you the name of the other app as well that we were on for my food journaling too. I can put that in the description below as well. But it's called, let me go back here. Yeah, and so you just see all the tabs that I'm clicking on. I hate that part right there. It's a metabolic age, because it depends on if you're overweight, and it puts you at a higher age because it's saying that you have the body of that age group. So I hated that. I love when it had gotten down back to the age that I actually was. I don't know if this one's mine, but definitely I just pulled up one. But anyway, when it got back down to my real age, I was very happy. Because when you start to lose weight, it can go down and be more accurate. But here are a few other tabs too that you can click on. I don't really use these. It's just, like I said, it's very detailed. It's a lot of things I don't use on here. I just use the basics. I should start to take advantage of these options, and right there you did see some of the other gadgets they offer. But anyway, this is how this works here, and you play around. It's very user friendly. I know I'm kind of just yapping about things, but yeah, if you do decide to get the Arboleaf, you can play around with it and test it out to see if it meets your needs. If not, then just look around for one that probably would be a better fit for you. And again, here I am. Just can't believe I'm in this skirt, and I'm so happy. Yeah. Big ups to me.